In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert audio in PowerPoint 2013 step by step. Whether you want to add background music to a presentation, include narration for online sharing, or insert a sound effect for impact, PowerPoint 2013 makes it simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can follow along and get it done in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint 2013 presentation and go to the slide where you want the audio to play. You can add audio to any slide in your presentation, so choose the one that fits your content best. At the top of the screen, click on the Insert tab in the ribbon. The Insert tab is where you'll find all the options for adding different types of content to your slides, including pictures, shapes, charts, videos, and of course, audio. Once you click Insert, look toward the right-hand side of the ribbon. You'll see an option labeled Audio. Go ahead and click on Audio. A small drop-down menu will appear with different audio options. From that drop-down menu, click on Audio on My PC. This option allows you to insert an audio file that is already saved on your computer. After you click it, a file browser window will open. Now, browse your computer to locate the audio file you want to insert. This could be an MP3 file, a WAV file, or another supported audio format. Click on the file to select it, and then click the Insert button at the bottom of the window. As soon as you click Insert, you'll see a small speaker icon appear on your slide. This icon represents the audio file you just added. You can click and drag this icon to reposition it anywhere on the slide. If you don't want the icon visible during your presentation, don't worry, I'll show you how to adjust that in a moment. Now that your audio is inserted, you'll notice a new tab appears at the top called Playback under Audio Tools. Click on the Playback tab to access audio settings and controls. Here, you can choose how the audio starts. If you want the sound to begin automatically when the slide appears, change the Start option to Automatically. If you prefer to click to start the audio during your presentation, leave it set to On Click. If you want the audio to play across multiple slides, you can select the Play Across Slides option. This is perfect for background music that continues throughout your presentation. You can also check the box for Hide During Show if you don't want the speaker icon to appear while presenting. This keeps your slide looking clean and professional. Another useful option is Loop Until Stopped. If you want background music to repeat continuously until you move to another slide or stop it manually, enable this setting. Before finishing, always test your audio. Click the Play button in the Playback tab or start your slideshow to make sure the sound works correctly and the volume level is appropriate. If needed, you can adjust the volume using the Volume button in the same tab. And that's it. You've successfully inserted audio in PowerPoint 2013. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks. Click Insert, click Audio, and then click Audio on My PC. After that, you can fully customize how your audio plays to match your presentation style. If this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple and practical PowerPoint tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.